Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Eric. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Today, we have a very useful topic. We are going to talk about shopping at the supermarket in English.
Yes, this is something we all do. We buy food, fruit, drinks, and snacks, so this is real English for daily life.
Exactly. You will hear a real conversation, learn shopping vocabulary, and practice speaking with us.
And remember, our podcast is for beginner to lower intermediate English learners, so we speak slowly and clearly.
Here's how today's episode works. 1. First, you will listen to a conversation. 2. Then we will explain the vocabulary. 3. Then you will listen again and practice.
So relax, listen carefully, and repeat with us.
And if you enjoy learning English with us, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe so you never miss a new episode.
All right, let's start with a real English conversation at the supermarket.
Okay, Eric, imagine we are at the supermarket together.
Sounds good. I'm ready.
All right, everyone, just listen first. Hey, Eric, do we need anything from the supermarket?
Yes, we need a few things. We need milk, eggs, and bread.
Okay, let's also buy some fruit.
Good idea. I want bananas and apples.
What about vegetables?
Let's get tomatoes and carrots.
Great. Oh, look, the strawberries are on sale.
Nice. Let's buy a box.
Do you need anything to drink?
Yes, maybe some orange juice.
All right, let's go to the checkout.
Perfect. I think we have everything. Nice conversation. Now let's talk about some important supermarket words.
Word 1. We need. Eric said, we need milk, eggs, and bread. We need means something is necessary. Example, I need coffee in the morning.
Yes, I need coffee too.
Listeners, repeat after me. We need milk. Great job. Word 2. Let's buy.
Jessica said, let's buy some fruit. Let's means let us do something together. Example, let's buy apples.
Let's buy bananas.
Listeners, repeat, let's buy fruit. Nice.
Word 3. On sale. Another useful phrase is on sale. When something is on sale, it is cheaper than normal. Example, the strawberries are on sale.
The bread is on sale.
Everyone say it with us. On sale. Good job.
At the end of the conversation, Jessica said, let's go to the checkout. The checkout is where you pay for your groceries.
This is where the cashier scans the items. Example, let's go to the checkout.
The checkout line is long.
Repeat with us. Go to the checkout. Excellent.
Jessica, what do you usually buy at the supermarket?
Good question. I usually buy milk, eggs, bananas, and yogurt.
Nice. My quick breakfast is a banana and coffee.
That's simple and healthy.
Listeners, think about this. What do you usually buy at the supermarket? Maybe you buy rice, noodles, fruit, vegetables.
Try saying a sentence. I usually buy blank. Pause and say it now. Great job. You're practicing real English.
All right, now listen again to our supermarket conversation. This time, try to understand every sentence.
Hey, Eric, do we need anything from the supermarket?
Yes, we need a few things. We need milk, eggs, and bread.
Okay, let's also buy some fruit.
Good idea. I want bananas and apples.
What about vegetables?
Let's get tomatoes and carrots.
Great. Oh, look, the strawberries are on sale.
Nice. Let's buy a box.
Do you need anything to drink?
Yes, maybe some orange juice.
All right, let's go to the checkout.
Perfect. I think we have everything. Nice conversation. Now let's do quick speaking practice. I'll ask a question and you answer. Ready? What fruit do you like?
Great. Maybe you said bananas, apples, or mangoes. What drink do you usually buy?
Nice. Maybe juice, milk, or tea.
You're improving already. Good job.
All right, everyone. Let's review today's key phrases.
Today we learned we need, let's buy, on sale, go to the checkout.
These are very common phrases when you shop at a supermarket.
Try using them the next time you shop for food.
Before we finish, we have a fun question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what do you usually buy at the supermarket?
Maybe fruit, snacks, coffee?
We would love to hear from you.
Thank you so much for practicing English with us today.
Keep listening, keep speaking, and remember,
Every day you practice, your English gets better.
see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.